Hello everybody, I'm Bunny, and you know why I'm back? Because my friends keep bothering me I should get a new boyfriend. But I don't want a new boyfriend, I don't like their boyfriends. I have a boyfriend of my own. Here he is. This is Cookie, the best boyfriend I ever had. Is this adorable or what? He sleeps in my bed every night and he cuddles up to me. He's so nice and warm and sweet. He doesn't throw his clothes on the floor, so I have to do his laundry because he doesn't have any clothes. How perfect is that? And he eats whatever I put in front of him and no complaint, and I don't have to cook it. And if I go away for a little while, he's at the front door waiting for me when I get home and he dances around in a circle. He's so glad to see me. Never asks me for any money. He doesn't gamble, and if I don't feel like being a fun companion and throwing the ball, well, he just sits down next to me and he waits for an absent-minded pet. But here's the best part of all. He licks his own you-know-what. Is this the perfect boyfriend or what? I'm Bunny. This is my boyfriend. You could take our word for it. We're happy.